Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the project and importing all source files. Do this now so your workspace is organized. Once done, assign each document to a group and add core attributes like participant ID and date. This lets you filter later. Open the document manager and check text integrity. Make sure transcripts align. You'll also set coding stripes visibility and enable automatic backup so nothing is lost while you proceed to code. You build a clear codebook before mass coding. First, create parent codes, then add subcodes and write short memo rules so your team codes consistently. As you read, highlight the exact segment and apply codes. Use in vivo when wording matters and descriptive codes for concepts. Once a block is coded, use the code manager to set colors and inspect overlaps. Make sure to run a quick frequency check to catch underused or duplicate codes. You finish by auditing and extracting findings. Start with the code co-occurrence table and query tool to find relationships, then refine by merging similar codes or splitting mixed ones. Update memos for each change so the audit trail is clear. When ready, export coded segments, the codebook, and network visuals for reporting. Troubleshooting tip: if exports miss content, check document selections and export filters first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.